Hi, my name is Chris Malashep. I'm the Technical Sales Manager for BenQ UK. I'm just going to run through our brand new feature product with the BenQ GeoBoard. BenQ has always been a pioneer in interactive technology, but with the GeoBoard we now have taken it to a next step with capacitive touch interactivity, featuring the latest AMS technology with our account system, so you can sign in via an NFC card. You've also got Easy Write, which is our digital whiteboard, which operates in portrait mode. The advantage of this means that you can instantly bring people into a meeting space where they're used to using a portrait digital flip chart. You're able to bring the two boards together to make one giant whiteboard canvas mode. We're also utilising built-in OPS PCs, which are available from your local supplier. The advantage of using an OPS PC built-in is that it is completely system agnostic. You can use whatever video conferencing system you're used to. It will utilise the built-in camera that sits in top of the screen, which means it will fit seamlessly into any workplace technology system that exists in the market already. So if you'd like to find out more information, if you'd like to go to business-displays.benq.com. Thank you very much.